So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to my stream. Today, today is a new trading day, and right now we are preparing ourselves to get this trading day, new trading day, a new trading week. Sorry, and unfortunately, today must be a good day because I think there is no news. But let's just first see if there is any news. So no, we do not have any news. We have at 9.10 euro, and we have at 9.10 and 10 euro. It's Germany and ECB President Lagarde speaks, so that will be fun to see how its movement will be inside of euro USD. Oh, sorry, I just woke up. So we can see that we got some kind of breach, and NAS is looking good for maybe a retest of this 4-hour support, because I mean, yeah, it's good push basically, and maybe retest of this open gap. So we'll be on lookout about NAS, and yeah. Of course, if you have any kind of questions, feel free to ask. And let's get it. Dun, 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 dun. So before anything happens, I will just go and make myself a tea, and maybe will somebody comes inside my life. I mean, people are still sleeping inside my Discord, so it's kind of looking sadly, but it is what it is. We'll get my tea and just chill to see if we will have any kind of trade today. Good morning. I will be right back just to make myself a tea. So just give me a second. vidim ti sve, prolio sam čaj, pičkali mu strinina. Oh, so today are only in the morning news, that's correct. As you guys can see here at 9:10 and 10 a.m. and later on just at 4, it's a long time till 4. Basically this is 10 a.m. New York session. Okay, so we swept on Euro USD. Now this is market shift. So we have it on NAS too. So this is market shift. We have also on US 30 market shift. And let's see, GBP is going to swept maybe or maybe not, but let's see on 4 hours how we are standing. Basically in 4 hour fair value gap, we want to go maybe to this order block, which I will just mark it out. On euro same thing, but we have open gap here. Maybe it's bigger at 5 minutes, which we did not touch, so we should be looking to get into this open gap. Anyway, it would be nice to trade, but this one too, this one have bigger open gap, so this should be a bigger trade for sure. I will just mark it out. Good morning everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. So yeah, here we got it. Ooh. So we have a great push on Euro USD, but still kind of little bit scary to go in Euro USD because of news, but we will see how we got. If we close above next candle, I will gladly do it. If not, it's okay. How much? It's 823. We'll see. So we are kind of rejecting off of this order block, but I would like to see close like stronger. Yeah, full body candle, so it's come on, let's go. Let's go. Close it up. I just want to see full body candle because that gives a momentum to a trade, and that's a great indicator that's going above. So yeah, it's not looking great, but anyway, let's see if we got any push above again like this one. Let's see volume. Volume is something like here, it's okay, but I want to see above this red candle. It's a great push, but let's see something correction like which is good to have full candle, full body candle. Otherwise it's kind of awkward, and would love to have it like that. Nice. Now we need to wait 3 minutes to get this kind of like full body stays. Great, 3 minutes till the end of this candle. And next candle must be, I mean, we can go from it from here. It's okay, decent fair value gap. I like even that point, but still, because we have inversion fair value gap here, that's why I liking this point. But still, I want to see a close above and would like to see another one candle above. But you can see that volume is not so good, and I'm looking at GBP. GBP have good volume too. I mean, it's closing above. US 30. Let's see. If NAS goes above, it would be a great thing. Patience game. I like this one. This volume is stronger than this one and it's pushing above. So for now, I will see which candle is going to be next. If it's red and close under here, I will go for this one. But it must tap before news. and must go up before news, otherwise I will just exit the trade if it doesn't do that. You see right now it's coming down for some kind of reason, but let's see that body go full above. Nice. Come on, just push it for 10 seconds. Push. We don't have our price blower inside my Discord community, that's why it's bad. It is what it is. I would like to stay this fair value gap open, this one above, if it's possible. So here we have fair value gap, which I like a lot. And yeah, I said something too soon. Anyway, we got that done. Now only this fair value gap would be great for entry, but I will not get entry because we did not make market structure shift. But we can see where NAS is going. US 30. I think GBP will first go down here to take this one out. But for now, euro is my main point. Let's see. I will just place like this, basically. So this will be our trade. 4.7. That sounds great, but still long way to go. Nice. I don't want to go like fully above, because then it's too long and in fact it will be like too long to take entry. Patience is a game. I'm trying to tell myself every day that because you need to be patient. There is nothing to be rushed, nothing to be taken, and that's why. Just wait. Should we place it already? I did not place it because you can see that it's still pushing strongly. we'll see some kind of rejection or pullback, then I will tell inside my Discord community to get in. You can place it, but I am not going to place yet. You're barely looking. I mean, come on. You're our price blower. You need to go and push our price down now. We need to get that entry. Or we're gonna take this one. I like NAS more, but it's going to be, again, we will need to wait till New York session, but still I like it. We'll see movement on Euro USD because we have news, so we'll see. I mean, it's a great push, but yeah. Yeah, but I'm waiting for a good setup because we are on a edge from 900 and 1000, so looking for a good edge. But I think I will be risking less, 50 for a trade, because maybe I will have few trades, so that's why I will be risking a little bit less. We'll see, because when I have few trades I will just be risking less, and that's it. Divide that risk management, for example, that 10% divide by how many pairs I will be trading on. Hey Tajul, what's up? Nothing much, just woke up, so yeah, take it easy. So we got some kind of push. So we are pushing hard on Euro USD. I want to see some kind of pullback to here. If not here, to this fair value gap would be great. So NAS 100 and we have US 30. Everyone are looking good, but still Euro is pushing just like hard above. I just want to see some kind of pullback so I can see if it's even possible to get entry from here. Pullback will tell me if it's stronger than displacement, and that's why I'm waiting for a pullback. So let's see volume. You can see that displacement is stronger than this one, but I want to see a pullback which is lower than displacement. That's how you can use volume in your advantage. You can use volume that next pullback is going to be lower and red from these green candlesticks. And that's it. Let's see GBP USD. We have it here, but as I said, GBP is going for this order block on 4 hour. I think it is. Yeah, it is on 4 hour. Exactly. So on 4 hour it will go for that order block, and after that I will be looking to get entry on GBP USD. Euro is climbing, so guys, please don't place this trade because Euro is like climbing. I will see this candle. If this candle closes red or black, I will stay in it. I mean, I will look for a trade here mostly, but if it doesn't, I will just close Euro USD for the day and not trade it. But would like to see some big push here, and then I will watch indices mostly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Basically, I'm here because of you guys. If you want to have any answered questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, just get out of Euro. You can see that it's pushing, so I would not recommend you going into Euro or placing trade into Euro. This is not a trade for me, but we will see about here maybe. So that would be market structure shift, and let's see other. So US 30 is looking kind of great, and NAS needs to break this above. I would like to see like fair value gap combined with this breaker block, which would be like totally great thing. But we will see in just a few minutes. Why I'm participating even in the Nasdaq have a big open gap, as you guys can see, and that open gap must be for like tapped or for fulfilled. Basically I will show you example. So here is a open gap. As you guys can see, it went Asian high and then pushed down, took Asian low. Then let's see more open gaps. For example, same here, it's went down and then make Asian gap, open gap. So here it's great example, it's imbalance but it's not open gap, so it went down and then again up. It must touch imbalance or open gap in a day. Here it's example, we went up and then touched open gap. So you can see how this is going. So that's why I'm participating in NAS 100. First it's going to see this US 30. If it's going to give me some kind of bigger fair value gap to be entered on, that would be great. NAS 100. Euro is pushing too strong. Nah, nothing else. So we can see kind of that it's going more down, so I will just let it be and go more down. Oh, this euro is killing me, like it's great push, but yeah, anyway, still waiting for entry, still waiting to see. Let's go guys, wake up, we need to trade. Are you guys here or not? Don't like it. There is no push inside of London session on NAS and US 30, so will be something different for sure. Let's see how this will go. Because of news are in 20 minutes. You need to expect it. But we have around 10 bigger news. Germany for business climate. So yeah. Yeah, you can see that this red pullback is killing it. But let's see if it goes to this fair value gap. I will just remove that. I need to take things off. First thing. Let's see it. Guys, if you have any questions, do not hesitate. As I said, always feel free to ask. Oops, my phone. It's great push down. Let's see. Yeah, we got some kind of rejection from here. I like this GBP/USD because green candles are stronger, so we'll be looking to have some kind of buy from here. Euro is pushing down. I want to see this volume be lower. So if this volume gets lower, I will be happy about it. Yeah. The reason, because then we can just pull from it. It's great. It's still 2 minutes to go, but I do not like it, to be honest. I'm not liking it. I will place my stop loss to be 4. So, but no, it's too big of a risk, I think. I will get inside, but my stop loss is going to be under this low, so you can get inside. So I'm inside and will be risking $100. Let's see, maybe this is going to be first lose. I would like to see a big push right now, and I sent this on my Discord to see, but right now it needs to push like strongly above, because that would make me happy. Because I'm not fan of this. It's 9, so I would like to see 2 green candles above because of news, and then we are okay, but we are keep pushing down for some kind of reason. It's all good. It's going to be our first lose. For now is 5 wins and 1 lose. We are all good. Yeah, but this is going to be like bad trade. Nah. Let's see. I will just leave it. It's either going to be TP or stop loss. We didn't close under, or I mean, did we? Yeah, we did. We barely. Oh, yeah, we were close. But anyway, we see some kind of great rejection that will indicate for much bigger push, but let's see if we cover this fair value gap next. Even if we close like here, this candle here, we have the biggest fair value gap to go over with, and that's not great. Let's see GBP USD, same thing, drop down. Now we're waiting for, I will just place it on here. Great push. It's going to be 4.5, so I need to estimate it on 4.5 here. Great push. I guess it's overlapping last hours of London. Great push, great trade. I like it. Sorry guys if I didn't send on time, but it was kind of stressful. I mean, it was not stressful, but I didn't know if it's going to be okay trade or if it's not going to be okay trade. Anyway, I entered from this fair value gap, so sorry if you are being late, but still I'm asking you to be on live because I will holding live trading sessions, so inside my Discord. So one of my students said that he is basically blowing up his phone to go with this trade, to go in the plus, and we can say that this trade with volume is killing the red one, and I would like to see push more above. If we push more above that candle first, which broke down, it would be like great. Right now we are around 2 RR, no 1 RR, sorry, 1 R, and that's it. We can see volume is pushing. That's great to see. Oh, Come on, just push it up to be safe, and that's it. We don't need to worry anything about any, like just push, close, full body. It did not close full body, but this candle is like must push full above. It was scary entry, but it is strict plan trade, so I'm holding to trading plan. That's it, nothing else. So we got it here, market structure shift, and we have it here too. So we'll be waiting for some kind of push. Right now waiting to push more above. I would like to see this candle green, because later on it's new, so I don't like to see a drop. No drop, come on. Just push it in green. It really went perfectly. Yeah, it did. But still, I'm waiting for this candle to close green, because I want to see green momentum, not red momentum. I placed a little bit late, so I'm waiting for re-entry. I mean, yeah, you can. It was my fault because I didn't send on time inside my Discord, so sorry about that. But I don't think it's going to go to re-entry, because once we push above, there will be news coming out on 10. So let's just be strict with it. I would just not go into this trade because it was risk first of all, and I sent a little bit later, and that's my fault, that's on me, so sorry about that. Anyway, if this candle closes green, then it's possibility that we will just go more up above. If this candle closes red, then maybe there will be re-entry, but I would not consider going on re-entry because news are on 10, and basically it's not good for you to enter in that kind of position during news. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you want to join my Discord community, you can join through the links inside my description. It's totally free, and you can meet a lot of other traders, hang out with them. We yesterday had some good time. We were all together inside of voice chat, and it was really great. So I would doing that every Sunday after Sunday recap. Come on, let's go. Push it to be green. So we are right now at 140, 150 around. So we are at 1%, 1% and 140. But we have a long goal, 4.5. It's a less. So let's go. So when you are trading, I would recommend you to trade. So it's basically going to open gap, which is here. You can aim for that too, but I will not be aiming for that. But I just wanted to say, if you have something to do or something else and you are trying to trade and do that, I would consider just not doing trading, because then you can make different, how to say, different thinking and different execution. You would not like go with your trading plan. Anyway, let's see what our news is going to bring. I want to see closing above this fair value gap. If we close above above this fair value gap, it will be a great indicator, or just push above it, it will be great indicator. So let's just go with it. My nose is itchy. I like to do more live, for example, inside my Discord, because okay, I can send, for example, I send here like ForexSignals, and the problem is I would like to have it live, because it takes time to send a signal, and maybe in that situation, for example, it's fast signal like this one, and it needs to be sent fast, because you don't know if it's going to work or not. Let's go in 3 minutes. We're pushing more. We're pushing. We must push above more. Come on, 15 minutes. Go. We need to like have bigger momentum. I'm watching on 5 minutes to see. I mean, on my phone I'm watching on 5 minutes on broker, but I'm here watching on 15 minutes to see if we close above this fair value gap. Come on, nice push, great push. Let's go. We have 2 more minutes. If we push above here, I will just be happy, and that's it. Basically, that will be over, because as you guys can see, it's pushing great. We have 4.5k on momentum together on this tree. Even we closed everything. We have here our great bullish fair value gap, but let's just wait 2 minutes more. Great push, great start of the week. Come on. Full body close above. If this closes above, I will just close it and break even, and yeah, let's see. No, go up, close it up. above. If it closes above, then it's not going to reverse, I think so. But it have a little bit more. We are 300 up. Come on, there is nothing to be shameful. Nice push, nice close. That's it. We are on break even, so put on break even if you did place a trade. I will put it because the trade closes above this one. It's a great trade. We have same thing on GBP, so we can enter from here too, but I will not be entering. I mean, it's still a good RR. I don't know how much. No, it's too small RR. I would not be consider that. Maybe wait for NAS, but let's just focus on this one first and not look for the rest. If this trade goes to break even, I will quit my trading forever. I mean, if he does hit break even, I'll be sad, but yeah. I mean, great entry. Strict to rules, and that's it. Thank you, Sesko. Thank you. This is our price blower. So if you have anything, or if you want NAS to go up, or US30 to go up, or GBP USD go up, or for example Euro USD right now, you should be hitting Sesko. He's inside my Discord community and he's called price blower. So I don't know what are you waiting for. Just go with him and pay him, and he will just manage to put your blower. He will put the blower inside of that Euro USD because he is market maker. He is bank. He is institutional in our Discord community. So I'm just joking. But anyway, because of him, We are going to take TP on Monday morning, and basically we are done for the week. We do not need to trade anything. Come on, we have it like few pips, 20 pips. Come on, 20. No, yeah, we have 20. Come on. Sorry, 35. Yet. No pushback. Like Sesko, come on. You're our price blower. Just go, push it. Push it. Come on, just a little bit up. And then you can do whatever you want, like come on. GBP is pushing also, or no? We did not tap yet. I was at 400, but let's just place it. I'll just place it like this. Let's see if we reject from this fair value gap. So I want to see rejection, and it's great because volume is not bigger than buying pressure. So that's what holding me in this trade yet. And that's why, because we need to have some kind of pullback. After that pullback, we need some kind of rejection to see if we are going to clear. Usually when you're looking at pullbacks, you want to see, but when you are in a trade, not when you are wanting pullback for an entry, you are wanting to see to close above this line, above this S of basically green candlesticks, or if you want to call it open, like open part of candlestick, where the candlesticks open. That's the first thing, and then just wait for rejection above. For example, here we can see that we rejected very well and very good, so let's see it, and we are pushing strongly. Don't worry, this is just a bait. Yeah, this is called re-entry. Like you can take one more trade and put it in re-entry. For example, right now I could put, for just for fun, I mean not for fun, just for real trading experience, I could put like on 50 or on 2 RR. Usually on only 2 RR I put, and for example I would right now have 6.45 6.5, and I would just place my stop loss from this trade. I would place on this low, so if my get hit here, I would eventually just make 2R, and that's it. That's risk I am willing to take. Now Sesko, I would beg you just to take my profit and just let's move on. Let's go and play League of Legends, like, or let's go and do something else. I have something else in mind because we are building, I mean I am building apartments inside my house, so I will need to go and work Baustella, how we can call it. It's a great rejection. I like it a lot. So my screen time came notification from last week. It was 6 hours and 58 minutes. I don't know if that's good or not, but I'm trader, so I need to be on my phone 24/7. Nice trade. I'm sorry because I didn't place it inside my Discord, which is kind of awful of me, but yeah, I was looking at this here, and if I saw that it closed under, I would not enter, but eventually I entered, and yeah, my bad for that. But we will have so many more trades for sure, and for sure I would like to not be like this one, because this one was fast and I really didn't like it. But we can have it from here. Come on, just push more above and take TP. No, I didn't look at the chart as well. I had some work to do. Great. As I said before, I said before that it's better if you don't have something else to do. I would example say that you don't trade that day because it's not looking good for you, and you don't know how, like, what movement it is right now and everything else, so I would not recommend doing that. It's not that great. I would better recommend you go and sleep than just go and trade after some kind of work. Maybe I was thinking, and I saw people were doing that, I would be taking like copy trades. So for example, if you want to connect with my account, I will connect you, and then when I take a trade, your account take a trade. But that's a long way to go, and I would not want yet, because right now I'm doing this challenge, so I would not want to take this kind of responsibility in my hand right now, because I'm risking a lot. Maybe when I finish like 100k, I will be taking from people, like if people want, I would take trading and manage many more accounts. And it's great for my career because later on I can use like big money and be okay with managing it. I mean, when I say big money, I'm saying for around 2-3 millions, even more, depends how much they give it to me, and I will be taking 1%, of course. Because if I want to, I mean, I would like that I can trade or 1 million, 2 million inside my broker account, but which broker would let that? Because if you're profitable, like you're just they will make commission from you, but still, it's kind of, I don't know, too much money. Let's see a network from brokers. I will net worth. Let's see if FP markets. Okay. Let's see, Grojo. Okay, it's a big company. Okay, it's 37.9. So okay, they can. I think they can make some kind of payout for me. And you joke. Come on, let's push. We don't need to be there. Do you know about broker think markets? Yeah, I traded. I didn't trade on them. I traded with Rocket 21 when I was starting. I mean, not starting, like starting with them. I traded on think markets, and spreads were kind of awful, and execution were kind of late. And usually, when my stop loss would be hit, it will just take like more money from me, which is kind of awful. But if people are using, people find some kind of like good trading system inside of it, I'm totally fine with it, because maybe some kind of like same thing as strategy. If you have one good strategy and you're using that strategy and it's working for you, you can find your way in it. And I would not judge you because you find some kind of way with profitability with that strategy, if you get me. Same thing with broker. If you have a good broker for yourself, for your kind of thinking, for your kind of strategy, it's okay. You just use it. You don't need to use mine, especially. So same thing as trading, basically. But every market is, I mean, every broker is okay, but you want to find fast execution. And when the fast execution, I was looking for it because, as for example here, I would not get tapped inside some kind of prop firm because of, for example, because of spreads or some kind of not fast execution. And then you have executions on stop loss or TP. For example, stop loss would not get immediately hit. That I felt that with think market. So I'm not saying it's a bad like broker, but I'm saying what happened with me. So I got stopped. I didn't get stopped like on stop loss. I get stopped like 10 pips away from stop loss, which is disgusting. And with news, it's much better for FP markets because I don't know. I really do like FP markets. Fast execution. Like when you ask for support, like support, it's immediately here and they will help you. Second one, fast withdraw. Like okay, you need to take few days, for example 2 days, 3 days, so they can rearrange everything. And that's it. Like nothing else. Even on weekends, if you call them, if you get text from them, that's basically you can do anything. And what I like about FP markets, they are not giving anything. For example, if you think that I'm getting paid from them because I managed to make like broker account and etc., no, I'm not making money from them. Neither will I ever take from a broker or from a prop firm money, because I do not like that, and I will always deny it, and I will always say that that's disgusting. Why? Because they are scamming. And if they send me some kind of email about price, about some kind of offer, I would gladly take that offer and put it on live and show it what they are like asking, what they are showing, because I did not sign anything and they are sending me something. So that's why I would just point it out and just just put like shit on them, basically. I would love that somebody send me offer. For example, let's say no like let's say Alpha Capital like send me email asking me to like have like to share their pro firms on my platforms, and I would say I would say first to send me offer. After that offer and everything, I would just open up live YouTube and live Instagram and everything, and I would just like shit on them because they're shit and they're just scamming people. Like every pro firm is scamming people with these rules. Like I can 100% that when they say 99% of people fail in trading prop firm space, I totally agree. But 99% of this 99% of people, I can surely say 40 to 50% will get profitable if they just move out of the prop firms. Reason behind that, prop firms have fucking rules that can just build up a bad habit in your trading journey. This is nothing good for you. Like I understand it's about money, it's about going forward, taking that money, but that's it. It's nothing else. For example, you don't have anything till they don't pay you. But I have everything because I'm trading on live account. I understand somebody doesn't have money, but still you can risk your life, for example, 1 year to just work it and start learning about Forex and getting knowledge about Forex, and that's it. You don't need to go on immediately everything in. Like just take your time, be patient. You That's it. Basically that's it. And just start to shit on prop firms. That's it. You will see how prop firm space will just go off a job because everyone are starting to go on with trading live accounts and trading real accounts. I'm trading real account and I'm not ashamed if I even lose, but what I have to say, like this is it. This is when you trade live and you make money, basically. Right now we are on, let's see, we are pushing close, we are on 385. So right now let's wait 30 pips to close our entry point. Come on. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. If you want to join my Discord community, it's inside my description, so please leave a like on this video so we get more views, we get more engagements and everything, more traders inside my community or more traders inside my lives, so we all can have a fun. Come on, tap it. If it doesn't tap it next time when it's up, I will just close my trade. Like fuck it, just few pips. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We need that win for a great start, because once we got, come on, once we got this kind of win on start Monday, you know the week is going to be better. Come on, come on. No, no. Oh no. I'm blowing right now. Blow, motherfucker, blow. I will start to blow with you. Come on, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Do I really must close manually? Come on, brother, 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 push, brother, push, brother. Come on, blow that price, motherfucker. It's basically equal highs, I think. Yeah. Just imagine if we have like 100% win rate going from 500 to 100k. That would be like awesome. Nice, Esco. Blow that price up. Blow it. Like just six pips. 6 pips. Come on, come on. Blow it. Come on, brother. If you blow the price, I will be the best ADC for you. Come on, come on. We take it, go. Now let's just chill. I'm just joking. Basically, that's it. Thank you for being on my live, and let's just go and drink something. Let's kill ourselves of booze. I'm just joking, guys. I'm playing around because I'm bored. Thank me later. Yeah. You will need to thank me when I carry your ass inside League of Legends. So, let's look at this. Nice trade. Sorry guys for not getting inside of the trade, but I didn't know if it's going to be that kind of trade. Sorry. So let's go. So we have Euro USD, and outcome is basically a win. RR is 4.5, and emotions were, which emotion do you want to put? Like, I don't know. I will put I don't know. It's a chill, great, sad, good. I'll put a good, chill. Okay, let's go with chill. FVG, PNL. Let's see what is our PNL. Today trade was, so taking out commission, it's 13.20, so 44.1.0, and this is our profit. Now we will put that in our trading account, project, connect it, and this is our new setup. I will just take a screenshot of it, and that's it. So now let's go and put our chosen file, put it here. And guys, as I said, we did eventually hit. So you risk 100. Yes, I did, because I will not taking trades on the other accounts. So yeah. So let's just watch it. I will just put, yeah, I risk 100. So I will just put on my story first, just for fun, to people see how we do it inside our Discord community. And that's it. Like, I don't know what are people waiting for, but we're making money. Who cares? Who cares? I'm happy because it's Monday and I like Mondays a lot. Like, Monday is my favorite day. So let's go and put one more picture. Just a second. How I do it then? Photo. Okay. I need to find out how to manage everything. Just a second to tag someone. I will tag and to put it when will they approve my account? I mean, you can always go and ask support to see what maybe you did get. For example, I usually get email from them if they need update something, so maybe watch for email if they needed something and you did not deliver. So basically, let's share it to story and live results to put it in highlights so you guys can see it. So right now I don't have anything to work with or to do something. If somebody did enter here, it could when I said like in the first thing in the morning, but it would be just small RR and it will be 1.3, but you could aim for this gap too. So for example here, and it will be 1.85, or you can take it at 2. But anyway, this was good trade too, so that's it. I could aim, for example, in this scenario, I could aim for this high to get 6, but yeah, nah. I am only sticking to my rules as always, and that's it. That's the only thing you should be doing, sticking to your rules. If you guys didn't leave a like, I would ask you to leave a like, and it will just help me a lot. And if you have any questions right now, I would like you to ask them, or we can just go on and see everything, move on. I will be doing some kind of how you wanna call it, videos for YouTube too, so I don't know yet which one, but I will make. If you have any like examples or anything that you want to be said, or something with some kind of explanation about something, I will gladly do it. I mean, I will not chill. Oh, it's Andrea. Andrea is writing to me and saying he tapped. He tapped TP with me. So I will just put. Good morning. Woo! Good morning. I'm just joking. One of my friends is making fun. Anyway, it's a great thing. I'm happy that I didn't have a good Monday in a long time, so that's why I'm mostly happy because of the good time. Yeah. Anyway, this is when you just stay strict with your plan. Basically, I explained this strategy, and only thing that I said inside my Discord community, sorry, inside my YouTube explanation or YouTube about that strategy is basically what you need to do is only focus on strict to plans, so to-do list. When I say to-do list, like go 1, 2, 3, and always check in if you did everything, and that's it. You can see that it's perfectly working. Exceptional here today is some kind of fast day. I mean, usually it happens fast, but we did that in one. Sorry, so this is tab, so I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in 9, so in 45 minutes, I made 400 and like $445. And when you take that, like basically, it's so let's go, and people are working like 8 hours a day, so let's go and say how much did we make. Just a second, my brain just blocked. So we made it down to 13, so today we made 441 and divided by 8, this is basically $55 an hour. Of course you can lose $55 and in minutes not hours, but anyway, you get my point. And what should I tell you, like trading is the most simple thing to do, that's first. And second, trading is something that, how to explain it, like it's the best business job you can have, and on the other side it's the worst job you can have, because even if you show up, you don't know if it's going to be a trade. Even if you show up later on, you maybe take a trade, after that you maybe lose a trade. So even if you come up, you can lose your trade. So it's not that you're getting paid, it's basically like, it's not that you're getting paid, it's basically that even if you don't get paid, it takes your money. So it's kind of funny, but people are doing it, and it's not some kind of scam, and it's not some kind of fake news. It's basically realistic trading, and that's how it's done. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask anything. But today I will not chill. I have a lot today to work, but anyway, today is a windy and it's disgusting. It's such a bad weather. And you can see that we could take 6R2 easily. For example, here. And you could aim for this high too. So for example here, I'm just joking, you could aim how many times you want. Oh, I need to clear this everything, like it was about sessions. So dun, 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 dun. If you want to share it inside of your Instagram account, feel free to share it. I will just send right now inside Discord so you guys can share it all. If you ask me, this is a pretty easy. Oh, I hit my head. Oh my god, with phone. That's not good. Anyway, you can see that this strategy is pretty easily. I don't have to worry about it, but you are done for the trading day, or are you planning on more? Yeah, I'm planning to put all in and all in on black, and that's it. We are winning today for sure. We are doubling our profits. I'm just joking. I'm not doing that. For today, yeah, it's over. But it's great day, fast day, and that's it. Let's see what we have tomorrow. So tomorrow we have easily, like easygoing, and we'll see about this USD. Then Wednesday, it's going to be, it's going to be good Wednesday. We have later on USD, Euro, and GBP is fine till GBP is not fine till 3:15, which is 9:15 in New York time. And then we are moving to Thursday. Thursday it's going to be again nice. And let's see. Are we changing time? We need to be careful with that. Okay, so we are okay, we have many days to go. But anyway, be careful about changing time, because it was awful. It was kind of awkward to see euro on 215. Usually that doesn't happen. Usually euro is London side, so you get my point. But maybe it's a late monetary policy statement. Okay, I kind of understand. And Friday, it's going to be also a great day. So I mean, not for euro, because they have they have German CPI. So we have a great days coming in front of us. So please come to my live, and it will be like great trades. For now, we are at 6-0. So basically 100% win rate, and we are doubling our profits. Basically made in 1 month, we made 1,040, like $445. So average in Croatia, average salary in Croatia is basically not one. What the fuck? Anyway, we made what the fuck? This is not. Oh, in a range, low seller. So this is not a true. So I will just tell you that, because I would not be trading then if this was a true, and this is true. So basically, one salary in a month. One salary in just 2-3 weeks, without doing anything, sitting down on my PC. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. I would not work with that payment. Like you can basically have 1,009, like 900 is basically you're living like a king here in Croatia. So that's disgusting, stupid. Oh, what to do next, like. And let me tell you about this. I was thinking maybe to put everything like signals and VIP members together. So like, yeah, people who like signals, I can always give them signals, they will just copy it. But I don't know, it's too much, like I need to be on both sides, so maybe putting them together. And if you are paying for monthly subscription, you will just get your money, for example. And that's how I was thinking, but maybe I will leave it for now and later on take it all together. We'll see how many people like signals or how many people like VIP. But when you get inside of VIP, you will have basically everything. And if you get inside of signals room, you will get signals, and you will have later on my explanations and everything. And you will get some like 1 to 2 weeks live inside my signals. And in VIP it will be always live. People who are right now and who will be right now inside my Discord community before everything's like closes, I will giving them like 50% off on for lifetime. So that's for sure. I will not leave you hanging out because you were the first persons to come inside, and I will give you 50% off. I mean, depends if you want to say. If you don't want to, it's all good. So, do you guys, as beginners, value prop firm certifications? If you don't know what is prop firm certification, it's basically this. So let's go FTMO. So it's basically this, that I passed their accounts and that's it. For example, because people value this shit and I do not value that. So I will need to get like eat because my stomach is hurting right now. So basically that's it for today, guys. Hope you will have a great day, and thank you really for coming here and being with me. Again, tomorrow, same time, I would like you guys to come And basically, let's have a fun together. Ask anything you want. I really don't have a problem with you guys asking questions, same questions for 100 times. So just ask it. That's it. Again, thank you and see you next day. I hope you did have a fun today. So see you guys.